catch?
Sure, why not?
Oh shit, it's a ratchet. Ah. Oh, die! Ratchet terminated.
What happened here?
I found this ratchet running the forest and I had to terminate her.
What's a ratchet?
A fugly ass creature.
Guys, I got a text. Brendan's having his baby right now.
We gotta
Oh,
get
shit.
there. We gotta get there and protect them.
Let's go.
Why, Billy? I think I'm being labor. Chance me, Billy. Wow.
We need a doctor.
We need one fast. You know one?
I'm a doctor.
Your mustache is cute.
Not about that right now. He's pregnant.
How's he looking now? Is he giving birth or not?
Yes, he's pregnant.
So what needs to be done, doctor?
You need a C-section. Hand me a lightsaber.
Got it.
No, wait, I'm loose already.
Oh, Billy! Sweet Jesus.
Let's see what we got. Oh my God, it's so
I'll name him Billy. Your name would be Billy. Yo, shut up. Your name